If you're looking for a long flowering, low growing plant for the garden, border or rock garden, then Candytuft is one of the best. The botanical name is Iberis sempervirens and it flowers in spring with masses of white flowers. This is a perennial plant that comes in a number of varieties, including taller growing varieties and a much shorter variety called Iberis sempervirens wonderstumpen, which means miraculous stumps, very compact growing and also very rare in cultivation. The icy white flowers contrast well against the deep green foliage, and this variety reaches around 6 inches in height. Over time it will spread to form a dense clump. This is an evergreen perennial. It's a favourite along pathways. It works well under roses and can be grown along a garden wall and allowed to cascade down over the edge. After flowering, you do need to deadhead it, but you can just use some garden shears to remove the old flower heads. In some climates, it will repeat flower in summer, just depending on the conditions. Grow it in a humus-rich soil, well drained in full sun, with part shade or afternoon shade in warmer climates. Although not drought tolerant, it does require very little extra water when grown in good soil. And although it's best grown in full sun, it will still flower in light shade, and it's excellent in containers. It will put down roots from the long stems over time, so this is a plant that can be propagated by division, and it's also easy to grow from cuttings taken in spring. So that's it for Candytuft, a wonderful little low-growing plant. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for regular updates on all aspects of gardening, and as always, good luck with your gardening.